Want to bring massive sound to every party and adventure? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Soundcore Motion X600 Bluetooth speaker, featuring immersive spatial audio, powerful 50-watt sound, and high-res wireless playback. With its portable design, IPX7 waterproof protection, Bluetooth connectivity, and long battery life, it's perfect for home listening, travel, and outdoor adventures. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore Motion X600 Bluetooth speaker, USB Type-C charging cable, user manual and quick start guide, product features. It is designed with an upward-firing speaker setup that produces a wide, three-dimensional soundstage. This creates a more natural and immersive listening experience. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or movies, the spatial audio effect adds greater depth and realism to the sound. The speaker delivers strong, room-filling audio with clear vocals and deep bass. It performs well in both indoor and outdoor environments, maintaining clarity even at higher volumes without noticeable distortion. The balanced sound profile ensures an enjoyable listening experience across a wide range of music genres. The speaker supports high-res audio and LDAC codec, enabling high-quality wireless streaming with greater detail and reduced compression. This ensures more accurate sound reproduction, preserving the depth and texture of instruments and vocals. Listeners can enjoy richer and more detailed audio compared to standard Bluetooth streaming. Built with an IPX7 waterproof rating, it can withstand rain, splashes, and even temporary submersion in water. This makes it highly durable for outdoor use, poolside listening, and travel without worrying about water damage. Technical specifications. How to pair? Begin by downloading the Soundcore app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. This app is essential for accessing full functionality, including sleep sound controls, customization options, and future firmware updates. Once installed, open the app and allow any required permissions for a smooth setup experience. First, press and hold the power button to turn on the device. Upon initial power on, the speaker will automatically enter Bluetooth mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone or device, search for the speaker in the available list, and select it to complete the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setup and customize your sound, lighting, and other settings for the best experience. You can choose different sound modes, adjust lighting effects, and tweak basic preferences to match your style and mood for a more personalized listening experience. How to use? Press and hold the power button to turn the device on. When you're done, long press the power button again to turn it off and end your music session. Press the Bluetooth button once to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. Press the spatial sound button once to turn the spatial sound on or off. A solid white light indicates that spatial sound is enabled, creating a wider and more immersive listening experience. Press the button again to turn it off. The light will go out and the speaker will return to standard audio mode. Use the volume plus and minus buttons to adjust loudness as needed. Press once to play or pause music, double press to skip to the next song, and triple press to go back to the previous track, giving you full control over playback. Use an Android device running Android 8.0 or later. Open the Soundcore app, tap the settings icon on the homepage, and go to Sound Mode. Then select Preferred Audio Quality and switch to the LDAC codec for enhanced wireless audio, with greater detail and clarity. How to charge. Use the included USB-C charging cable and plug it into the charging port of your speaker. Connect the other end to a power source such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. While charging, the charging indicators will show the charging status, so you can easily track progress. It usually takes around 6 hours to fully charge. For best performance and safety, use a charger with a power output between 0.05 watts and 15 watts. Safety tips. Avoid overcharging. Keep away from water damage. Use certified chargers only. Avoid extreme temperatures. Handle with care. Store properly when not in use. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.